Hey everyone! In our last video, we wandered through the charming town of Jesenice. Today, we're off to explore Jesenice na Dolenjskem, a quaint little village in Slovenia. Let's jump right in. Jesenice na Dolenjskem is a small village right on the border between Slovenia and Croatia. With a population of just about 200 people in 2024, it's the perfect escape if you're looking for peace and quiet. This village is surrounded by vast green grasslands, tall trees, and lush landscapes that are simply breathtaking. Every corner you turn, there's another charming house that adds to the village's cozy and peaceful vibe. If you're a nature lover, this place is a dream, a true retreat into the simplicity of rural life. Next up, we're visiting Castle Mokrice, which has a history as rich as its surroundings. Built in the 15th century, this castle was once a powerful stronghold in Slovenia. Back in the 16th century, it housed a garrison of about 100 to 150 soldiers, ready to defend the land. Its thick stone walls and strategic hilltop location made it a vital defense point during those turbulent times. As the years went by, Castle Mokrice evolved from a fortress into a noble residence, showing off a beautiful mix of Renaissance and Baroque styles. The area around the castle is just as impressive, with sprawling green grasslands and ancient woodlands that have stood the test of time. Today, it's not just a piece of history. It's a luxury hotel and golf resort, surrounded by traditional Slovenian houses that add even more charm to this picturesque spot. It's where history meets modern comfort, and nature wraps it all together in a stunning package. Remember, travel not to escape life, but so life doesn't escape you. As this quote by an unknown author reminds us, every journey adds a new page to the story of our lives.